How to find private and hidden channels on Telegram. What is up everybody? In this quick tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily find private or hidden channels on your Telegram app. Now, before we get started, I'd like you to head down below to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel as well. On that note, let us get right into the video without any further ado. First thing first, open up your Telegram app and make sure that you're logged into your account. So if there are certain channels or certain private channels that you want to find and you're not able to, first thing you're going to do is tap on the search icon at the top and then search for the Searchy bot. So just type in this one and then type on SEARCHEE bot, and you'll be able to see the bot right here. Just tap on it. Now just tap on start and choose your language. I'm just going to choose English, and now you are going to search for categories. So if you have any particular keywords in mind, you can tap right here or type it in and then tap on search in all categories. Enter your keyword here and you'll be able to find it. For example, if I want blogs, I can just tap here and it will find me all of the channels related to blogs, and you could find the hidden and private channels from there. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.